Hello, friends. How are you all? So, tell me, how would you feel if you get the whole beach for you? Something like that happened to us yesterday. Weather was like a bit rainy and cold, so nobody was there. Like the caption said, it was we, Wasaga Beach, and the Seagulls. As you guys can see, kids enjoyed their best. And for us, no rush, nothing to hurry. So we enjoyed the scenic beauty.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh. 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 You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.